In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Mailerlite. We'll use Zapier as the bridge so that when an email arrives in Gmail, a subscriber is automatically added or updated in your Mailerlite audience. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable workflow that saves time and keeps your list organized. Start by opening Zapier and signing into your account. From the dashboard, create a new Zap. Think of a Zap as a simple, when this happens, do that automation. We'll set Gmail as the source and Mailerlite as the destination. Next, connect Gmail. Select Gmail as your app and authorize the connection. Zapier will ask for permission to read specific email data so it can trigger your automation. Grant only the access requested and make sure you're using the correct Gmail account for your workflow. Then connect Mailerlite. Choose Mailerlite as your app and complete the secure authorization. This lets Zapier send new or updated subscriber details into your Mailerlite account. Double check that you're working in the right Mailerlite workspace so subscribers go to the correct place. Now choose your trigger. If you want the automation to run for every incoming email, pick New Email in Gmail. If you prefer more control, choose New Labeled Email and decide which label should activate the workflow. Using a label is great when you only want specific messages, say inquiries or sign-up confirmations, to create or update subscribers. For the action, choose how Mailerlite should handle the contact. Pick Add Subscriber to Mailerlite group if you want every triggered email to create a new subscriber and place them into a specific group. If you often receive messages from people who might already be on your list, choose Update Subscriber to keep their record current without creating duplicates. Either way, select the exact group in Mailerlite that fits this workflow. Map your fields carefully. For email, map the sender's email address from Gmail to the subscriber email field in Mailerlite. For name, use the sender name if available. For tags, add labels or keywords that help you segment later, such as the label you used in Gmail or a descriptive tag that identifies the source of the subscriber. Clear, consistent tags make your list more powerful over time. When everything looks right, turn the Zap on. From now on, each qualifying email in Gmail will add or update a subscriber in the Mailerlite group you chose. That's it. Your Gmail to Mailerlite connection is live and working for you in the background.